We have a Porsche Boxer here. As you guys can see, left front wheel has been damaged. She hit a big pothole. You know, when it was raining in LA, it was really, really bad. So there's potholes everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this car needs. Possibly a couple of wheels and a couple of tires. Let's get started. We have a beautiful 560 SL Mercedes here. This car was in here for a lot of steering wheel noise, so we did take care of that. We did change the steering shaft coupler on this car. It is good to go now. We're going to go on a test drive and make sure it's perfect.
We are currently taking this Phantom to one of our customers' houses. He's got quite a few cars, some crazy cars. We just did his Cullinan two-tone to match this one. So we're gonna go up there right now, check it out, hopefully get some shots with both of them together, and show you guys how crazy you can make two of the newest Rolls Royces look together. Right now, behind me we got this Cullinan. This is the one that you guys saw in a previous episode. It was a little raised with all-terrain Mansory wheels. Looks amazing. This thing with the Phantom 7 in this garage, incredible. Matching cars, the newest Rolls Royces out, the Phantom 7 and the Cullinan. These two look incredible together. They both have matching Mansory 24-inch wheels. This guy's got Nito all-terrain tires. And the Phantom has better street tires, obviously. These two cars are amazing looking together. You're not gonna see two Rolls Royces like this. With RDB, you could do any of this stuff. We can make matching cars. Any crazy ideas you have, we could do it, whether it's Rolls Royce or regular cars. You've seen it all with us. So thanks for watching, and tell your friends. Now we are in the Cullinan. We just dropped off the Phantom 7, we picked up the Cullinan. We have a few more little things to do on this car before returning it back. But everything is being done within a few hours. We're servicing our client in the best way possible. So with RDB, you get the best quality and the best service. So what do you do with that?
That's so disgusting. Oh my god.
Oh man. Chris, what are you doing?
That's so disgusting.
I have to eat something. I have no to eat. Where's it? The jet light? Woo! My teeth fall down. I have to go back, pick up my teeth. Yeah, shut up, man. Don't do it, man. Let me get out. weeks.
Why?
I get a heart rate and my dick come out.
Your dick come out? What?
My dick comes out.
Okay, which one so far was the worst?
Taking off.
This one was the worst so far, or which one?
Yes, they're worse.
The red car was the worst?
No,
This one was worse than the red car?
Yes.
Why?
This is f***ing slow pickup fast. Don't, man. I close my eyes. I don't look at you.
Wow, this one's scaring you, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's fast pickup, like aeroplane.
The pickup is bad, huh?
Yeah, it's no.
The McLaren not so, the red one not so much.
No, this one is like plane coming out, zoom up, look in the sky, fucking. Yes, see, no, hey, that's one in the front wheel and the back wheel.
This one is 4-wheel drive.
No,
This one is all 4.
the four is
That's
up.
why the pickup is faster.
Yeah, it's up.
You like it?
No,
Tell your fans.
this is like aeroplane, man. They're picking up in the sky.
You're not in the sky.
Not, but you do in time to time. Yeah, see now. See, yeah,
I
see.
didn't do anything.
Yeah, I can feel it. I cannot see. I don't open the eyes. Get me out, man. Get me. I don't want to die, man. It's years ago. Hey, why are you getting me? This guy, he driving 2 wheels in the back. Front is like this.
It was like this?
Yeah. Hey, this guy, he driving 2 wheels, the and a back wheel, front wheel they're like this. But don't.
What is that?
The car make a noise like that. Hey. Hey, my head is out of the window.
Your head is out of the window?
Yeah, from how they call, what is the windshield wiper? What? Huh?
Windshield.
Windshield. Windshield.
You sounded like Moses there. Whenever I take Moses in the car, he yells like that.
He is my nephew. Tell you. Tell him, Moses. Hey, hey, hey! Woo, woo!
See, it's fun. Now it's fun again for you. See, right?
See it? Hey, 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 hey! Hey! Woo, 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 woo! Help!
Help? What? Help?
Help!
You're the fastest old man in Los Angeles. You know that?
Yeah, I'm popular in Los Angeles. Yes, you are the one, not me. I in the pants all the time.
Welcome to Vic's Garage. No, I'm joking. We got 5 Rolls Royces behind me. All these cars are modified. None of them are stock. They're actually pretty significantly modified. Starting with the drop head. Then we got the Phantom 7, which is the new Phantom. We got a Dawn right there. We got a Cullinan, and then we have a Wraith. So all 5 different models, which is cool. I mean, we have pretty much all of Rolls Royce's current lineup here. We're not a Rolls Royce dealership. We just repair, modify these cars, and make them look like this. So comment, let us know which one is your favorite, whether it's the Wraith, the Cullinan, the Dawn, the Phantom 7, or the Phantom drop head.